Now that the hardware is installed and the charger is powered on, download the SolarEdge ONE EV Charger Setup app to commission it. Let's walk through the following steps. To commission the charger using EV Setup, start by scanning the QR code on the charger, the quick installation guide, or enter the serial number and PIN manually. Choose the environment you want to connect to. For this video, we focus on SolarEdge ONE EV for C&I. Connect the charger to Wi-Fi by selecting the network and entering the password. Select the grid connection type. That's it. Your charger is now configured. You can review and make additional changes, such as limiting the charger's current. Don't forget to check that the charger is connected, as indicated by the green checkbox. Your SolarEdge ONE EV Charger is now successfully configured and ready to use. Now register the EV Charger on the SolarEdge ONE EV for C&I platform. For more information about the SolarEdge ONE EV Charger, visit our Edge Academy and YouTube channel.